The future of door locks isn't smarter, it's smoother. Say hello to Anylock's newest product, Milda, the one-step push-pull interior door lock. Coming and going has never been easier. Milda's patented latch mechanism provides resistance-free access to your home's most used rooms. User-friendly for even the smallest hands, Milda is inclusive to everyone. The curved handle allows for a secure and easy grip from any angle. Unlock doors in one swift motion for a panic-free exit. Milda's self-installation is incredibly easy. All you need are the 5 screws included and a screwdriver. It optimizes accessibility for children, the elderly, and disabled. It's great for when you've got your hands full and compatible with garage doors. Preventing the spread of germs, the antibacterial handle keeps your home clean and safe. Milda is the home revelation you've been looking for. With 2 types of door locks, key and coin, control privacy between rooms. The key type works great for home offices and master bedrooms, while the coin type is better suited for communal areas. Revolutionizing your home experience, Milda.